Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Mustang door panel. First, gather your tools like a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car's window is fully lowered for easier access and to prevent damage. Take a moment to visually inspect the door panel for any obvious screws or covers that might be hiding fasteners before you begin. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. Carefully use your trim removal tool to pry up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect all electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Look for any screws hidden beneath the switch panel, in the armrest, or behind the door handle bezel, and remove them. These fasteners are crucial for holding the panel securely. Now it's time to detach the main panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame, releasing the retaining clips. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect the door handle cable and any other remaining electrical connections. Once the work is done, reinstallation is straightforward. Start by reconnecting all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Carefully align the door panel with the window channel and the door frame, then firmly press around the edges to snap all the retaining clips back into place. Don't forget to replace any screws you removed. For an easier way to keep your car's interior clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Make sure everything is secure before closing the door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.